Out to Horvat behind the Carolina net. Bo Horvat muscles his way, put it on goal. Stick save. Bortuzzo shoots. He scores! 2-0 Sharks! 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 2-